Ready?
Your attention, please.
Seems a bit overkill, but that's kind of cool. Milk is milk, right? I think this is the nicest Holiday Inn I've ever been to. It's the last day on vacation. We're in Singapore. Hi. I think it's a mall.
Somebody will not take you.
Oh,
Thank you.
Where's the studio, dude?
You can also take a river cruise if you want.
River cruise to Manus
Yeah, is
We were told to make these little origami guys with Totoro and share notes of joy in this space. Little bits of gratitude. My goal today was to end up super gassed out, super tired for the plane tonight. And if that's the goal, we are making great strides towards it. This is one big room, dude. Last flight.
Do you need a earphone?
No, thank you.
What's the number you have in today?
I think 48J.
Okay, straight and turn right for me, please.
Thank you. Hello. Right now it's October 25th, 8:20 something p.m. And when we arrive in LAX, it's going to be 9:40 on October 25th. Thank you. It's going to be like no time at all has passed. And I think that's pretty
Me
crazy.
and June have both been having like crazy stomach problems, and
Yeah.
we're gonna see who's gonna get diarrhea first.
I hope it's not me, but take a guess.
To put on your life vest, remove it from the plastic cover.
We're 10,000 feet in the air right now. We got this shit in the air, bro. We're literally 30,000 feet in the air. 12 midnight Singapore time. That's actually so crazy.
My baby loves me, he loves me, yeah. He actually told me, yeah, he told me that we got our own house and we sleep upstairs. We take a walk and then he brushed my hair. My baby loves me, yeah, he loves me, yeah. I think we're perfect, yeah, we're perfect, yeah. My baby loves me, yeah, he loves me, yeah. He say he miss me, then I say it back. And we drink water straight up from the tap.
We're here.
He owes me money, but I let it pass. My baby loves me, yeah, he loves me, yeah. I think we're
Top level
perfect,
player.
yeah, we're
No, no,
perfect, yeah. My baby loves me, yeah, he loves me, yeah.
There are so many bags, dude.
My baby loves me, yeah, he loves me, yeah. My baby loves me, yeah, he loves me, yeah. My baby loves me, yeah, he loves me, yeah.
We're home. Hey, mail time. Look at those mail things, dude.